look at that.
So, ma'am.
Coconut juice, yes po. Okay, so it's nice and cold in here. Thank you.
Opo.
Here, you can have.
Ilan ka ng face mask?
Thank you.
Hindi na po.
How much?
20 pesos, ma'am.
20. Okay. Here is the delicious coconut juice. Oh my gosh, that's so refreshing. I'm so glad I got that. That hits the spot. Walking all around Intramuros, Divisoria, all around Manila, all day long, eating street food, and this cold coconut drink hits the spot. For 20 pesos, that is about 37 cents. Thank you. Bye-bye. Oh. So, no food allowed inside, so I have to finish my drink.
Natapon ako ng basura. Ma'am, vlogger ka ba? Vlogger.
Yeah.
Ha?
Vlog.
Bawal po kayo magpalipat ng drone sa loob, ha?
Drone na ito.
Huwag kayo mag-upload sa social media, ma'am. Mahuli po kayo. Padit na ako ng bag niyo, ma'am. Bawal po ito, ma'am. Profit natin. Bawal po ito, ma'am. I just check the bag.
Oh, check my bag.
What country are you from?
California.
Saan galing?
Amerika.
America.
America.
US. US. No plastic bottle allowed inside. No food allowed
Throwing.
inside.
Okay.
America. Welcome to Manila, ma'am.
Thank you. Manila Bay, guys.
Hi.
Hi, what are you guys doing? Is this collection?
Kami ng basura. Yan yung mga ganyan.
Wow, so they're cleaning the beach. Yay, good job. That's really good. Hi, what's up, guys? So all of this, and they're gonna put it all, collecting it here. That's very good. You guys deserve high five. It's very good. Oh, thank you.
Excuse me, pwede lumabas dito?
Hindi po pwede
Doon
sa.
kaya
Labasan natin to.
Kaya nga nagtatanong kami eh.
Diyan ako kayo, hindi ko narinig. Doon po doon.
So sorry asking you.
I know.
It's so arrogant.
I know. Sometimes some guards are arrogant. What did he say?
Pasensya na, it's not the exit. That's why I'm asking you where's the exit.
I know. Maybe he didn't hear something.
What's the problem?
So, yeah, I know.